Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Okay. So are you all ready? Ready for your test? So please take your OMR sheet and all. Reina, any doubt from chapter 2? No? This is a very small chapter, right? Maximum 30 questions can be prepared from this chapter. Okay, I already prepared 30 questions from this. Okay, you can even do, or you can also create your own questions. Okay, after completing each chapter, try to make different questions, try to make different MCQ questions, or at least important questions. Please write it down. Okay, and it's important to take the printout also. Okay, I'll send the answers also. I already sent the chapter 1, the MCQ questions with answers. Okay, you can read and learn. That will be definitely useful for your final examination, the term 1. And parallelly also try to do your record work. Okay, that's again important. Yes. So let's start. Before that, submit the rough plan. You can submit the diet. Okay, that is practical 1 and practical 2. I think. Okay, I'm not sure about the number. The practical 1 and practical 2. So any one. Suppose if it is a supplementary food, you have to prepare one. Or if the question is to prepare an elderly food, you have to prepare that. Okay, this is my suggestion, mixed upma and ragi porridge. Okay, you can go with your own ideas or your own thing, but presentation, the taste, everything matters. Yeah, right. It's for a preschooler. So the taste, the color, the presentation, everything matters. Okay, so all these try to learn and try to first you just prepare a diet or a meal. Okay, then send to me. Okay, I'll correct it. Then you can start learning how to prepare. And presentation is also very, very, very important. Okay, we will arrange everything for you, the plates, everything. You can decorate anything you want. You can decorate it any way you want, but it should be eatable. Okay, that's the main purpose. And for elderly, they have some problems, chewing problems and gastrointestinal problems. So remember that. And also for small kids, the appearance, that is very important. The texture and all the color is also matters. Okay. I told you that I called one ma'am from Answer School. Yes. The school name that is Answer in Thrissur district itself. So she told me it's better to prepare the mixed upma and also the ragi porridge. They usually do this. Okay. So we can change, no problem. Okay. You can submit your own diet, then we will fix one. Okay. You can prepare the same diet. Meghna, Reina, and Sana, everyone single diet. Okay. We will fix one and you can learn and then we will eat. Okay. Okay. So let's start. Are you ready, Reina? This is the first exam for Meghna, right? They already finished one. Okay. This is the method. I'll show here. You can start writing and after 4, I'll change. I can't see you, Reina. Yeah. Yeah, fine. Sana also sit straight and start writing. I need your name also. Just write your name and start writing. All the questions will be discussed. Okay, so I'm expecting 30 out of 30 from all of you. Please raise your hand when you finish the first 5 questions. Okay. Chana, finish? Reina? Finish. Meghna? Reina, finish? No problem, no problem.
I'm doing the 6th one.
Please raise your hand, okay, when you complete it. Chana, okay. Reina, Meghna? Fine. I can't see your hand. You are raising there. Yeah. Meghna? Just write question number 10. Then we will discuss 1 to 10. Very easy, right, Reina? Simple questions. Finish, okay? Finish, right? Okay. So let's discuss question number 1. What's the answer, Reina? The question number 1.
Option C.
Option C, right. Next question. Standard diet is also known as modified diet. Is it true or false, Anna?
False.
It's false, right? Because standard diet is also known as regular diets. It's a mistake. Okay, so it's false. Which type of diet should be prescribed by the dietitian to your grandfather who is suffering from kidney and chewing problem? Ikna?
Option A.
Option A. Okay, mechanicals of diet and low protein diet. Okay, then yeah. 4th one, Sana, the career option after the clinical nutrition and dietetics.
Research and
B, very good. Research, development, and nutraceutical. Anything related with food and food science that comes under this career. Then, which of the following is not an objective of diet therapy? This question number 5 is very, very, very important. Meghna?
option number 2.
Option number 2, the knowledge of traditional cuisine or cuisine. Okay, very good. What is the full form of OPD, Reina?
Outpatient
outpatient department. Again, a simple question, right? But try to learn. OPD, outpatient department. Then identify the components present in natural foods or food products manufactured were in the key term, the specific ingredient. What is it, Sana? Specific ingredient. Nutraceuticals. Reina, your answer is right. Right? Okay. Then question number 8, Meghna. Non-nutrient constituents present in food.
Phytochemicals.
Phytochemicals. Very good. Then dash are those that are adjusted to meet the medical needs of a patient. Reina?
Both A and B.
Both A and B. Just read the question once again. Dash are those that are adjusted to meet the medical needs. Both A and B, look,
Modified.
there is a change in the question. Okay, you just learned the option. That's why. Look here, standard diet and regular diet are the diet, which means all the food groups are there in the diet, right? No change or no modification, no consistency change, no meal change. Everything remains same for the normal one. And look here the question is modified diet. Modified diets are the diet that we adjusted or modified to meet the medical needs of a patient. Okay, it's the case of a patient, right? So the answer that is modified diet. Sana, what was your answer?
Modified.
Modified diet, right? Meghna also? Yeah, okay. The last one, dash is prescribed just after surgery. Meghna?
Option 1.
Another name for this clear liquid dye that is transparent liquid. Okay, transparent liquid. Okay, so Reina 9, others 10, right? No problem, no problem. Very good, Reina. Very good. Good work. Then you can start doing question 11. Reina? Rena, which question you are doing now?
16.
16, okay. Before answering, try to read the whole question at least once, okay? Actually, the subject home science is very easy, right? You can read the textbook. All the questions are direct questions. Yes or no? All the chapter 2, 3, 4, and 5, very small chapter. All the chapters are very small, right? You can learn, please underline each and every line. At least read the whole textbook 1 or 2 times. Definitely, you can score full marks. 90 above, sure, no problem. Just learn, okay? Try to read. Whenever you get time, try to read your textbook, each and every line. Okay. If you score good marks in home science or in any other subject, you can increase the final score, right? Actually, the home science, that is very easy subject. You can read. It's not easy. If you read, then it's very easy, right? All the questions are the direct questions. Yes or no, Reena, right? So try to read, okay? If you have any doubt, you can call me anytime. Finished? 17? Okay, so let's discuss 18. Yeah. Reena? Any problem, Reena? You want 17? Then please ask, my dear.
One.
What about 18, Reena? For the next exam, the questions will be different. Okay, this is the same questions we discussed, but the exam on 23rd, the questions will be different. You have to learn. Do you have any exam on 22nd? No? Yes.
Psychology.
Psychology. Rana, what about 19? Finish. Rana, speak up.
Yes, my friend.
Yeah, so we'll discuss question number 11. Dash includes soft, mashed, and pureed food for the elderly with problems in chewing. Reina?
Mechanical soft diet.
Very good. Mechanical soft diet. Sana, modified soft diet is a soft diet for the patient on the advice of a medical practitioner.
False.
False. Very good. Even you can also modify the diet for elderly person, right? Okay, very good. Then question number 13. Yeah. Meghna, your answer?
Dietitian in the hospital.
Dietitian and hospital. Okay, Sana?
Any of the above.
What about that, Meghna? Any of the above? Look, dietitian in hospitals, consultant in companies developing therapeutic foods. Therapeutic foods means again. Then food service manager in hospitals. Okay. This is only because of reading. Okay, reading mistake. That's why. Okay, try to read each and every question 1 or 2 times, then answer because it's an MCQ question. We can't give half and all. Okay, if the question is wrong, you will lose the 1 mark, right? So try to read and then write. Okay, for Reina, any of the above, right? Reina, yes, good. So Meghna, you'll 1 mark. 14, the qualification required to become a dietitian is just BSc Home Science. I think Sana is going to score full mark. Just made a mistake. Okay, Sana. Just made a mistake in next 10 question. Yeah. What's the answer? False, right? Okay. Reina, it's false, right? Good. Okay. Then how will you feed patient who may not be able to chew or swallow? Reina.
Both B and C.
Both B and C. Okay, Meghna?
Intravenous feeding.
Intravenous feeding. Okay. Here the problem is, how will you feed patient who may not be able to chew? Okay. So mouth, we need mouth to chew, right? So we can cut that. Then again, both B and C, tube feeding and intra. What about that? Both B and C, tube feeding and intravenous feeding. Sana, what's your answer?
Both B and C.
That's the right answer, both B and C. Both tube feeding and intravenous feeding. Okay. That's the right answer. Look, tube feeding and intravenous feeding only we can cut the first one, mouth. If the option is A and B, then the correct answer, that is intravenous feeding. But here it is, sorry.
So
Can I
I
again?
marked the fourth one here. I marked the fourth one here.
Then again, mistake, right? Reina, please check what was your answer, question number 15.
And B and C.
B and C, right. Okay, no problem, B and C. While assessing nutritional status of a patient, which factor is not considered by the clinical nutritionist? We already discussed this question. Reina, can you answer?
Diet survey.
Very good, diet survey. Then again, I'm not reading the question 17 because we discussed 17. Sana?
B, both A and R are true, but R is not the correct.
Okay, very good. Is there any confusion in these kind of questions? Okay, this is a tip for you. First, you check whether the first statement is true or false. Then write there, is it true or false? Then check the second statement. Okay, just leave this assertion and reason. Just read the first statement and write true or false there. And again, read the next statement and read true or false there. Then try to identify the correct option. Okay, I think that's better. If the first statement is correct and again the second statement is correct, but the second statement is not, we can't relate the second with first, then R is not the correct explanation. Okay, otherwise R is the correct explanation. Okay, then yes, the 18, the result of inadequate nutrition is, Reina?
All of the above.
Reina?
All of the above.
All of the above. Sana?
All of the above.
Meghna?
The above.
Yeah, right. All of the above. Very good. So next one, again, we already discussed this question. Question number 19. Reina, what's the answer for question number 19? Just read your option.
A is true or R is false.
A is true, R is false. So the option that is C. Right? Okay. Meghna, what's your answer?
C.
Right. So in which sequence, again, in which sequence nutritional care is provided? This is a different question. Evaluating, assessing, planning, and diagnosing. Sana? I need the option. Okay, only the option. Too many A, B, C, and D is here. So try to find out the correct one. Just read your option. You already marked, right?
No, ma'am, 20. So I didn't do
20?
20. I didn't do the 20.
Okay, okay. So do it now. Then we will discuss. Okay. I got it. Take time, no problem. I gave you a tip for this question. A code was there. First, you just identify the first option. Then last. Okay, 1 and 4. First, you identify what comes first and what comes last. Then we can fix the middle ones. Okay. This is a direct question. I think Reina is ready.
Ma'am,
Meghna?
I got.
Sana, okay. Meghna? Ready?
Ma'am, I know, but I don't know which options.
Why?
I mean, I
Correct
thought.
option is there. I got it.
Like I didn't understand why we have the B and D in that. After evaluation, nutritional care, B.
Yes, A, B, C, and D. A and C is missing here. That's why. A, that is evaluating, B is assessing, C is planning, and D is diagnosing. Ready, Reina? Yeah. Tell me. What's your answer?
Option C.
Option C. Meghna?
Option C.
Right answer. Option C. Sana? C, right?
Option C.
Yes. A, D, P, E. A, D, P, E. Just note this. A, D, P, E. Next one. Yeah, right. Question number 21. Read and write. Okay. Question number 21. Read and write. Check the options and then write. Please raise your hands, okay? Are you all ready to come to school? Yes? Where's your uniforms, bag, pouch, and all? Is everything there? Just figure it out. Here we are planning to welcome you. November 1 is the date, right? So we are arranging everything. Finished?
23rd question.
I'll read, okay. Which of the following is not a non-communicable disease? Is there any problem with this question? I can't find anything. First, you just take what are the non-communicable diseases. Then it's easy to identify the not or the odd one out. Channa's ready with her answer. Look, she's smiling. I think she is playing with this A, B, C, and D. Very fast answers. But for your final exam, read, take time and write, okay? Reina, 23, any problem? No, right? Finished, right? 23, Reina? No? What about 24? Okay. This is not guessing, okay? Reina is closing her eyes. Is there any problem, Reina, with question number 25? No. Okay. From this chapter, it is very important to learn the definitions of or the difference between tube feeding, oral feeding, and intravenous feeding. Okay, try to collect maximum number of questions from that area, that paragraph. $26 is over, right? Reina, take time, take time. I think Meghna has a problem with question number 28, right? Meghna? Actually, what's the correct option? UGC? Yes. Finished? Okay, Sana. Reina? Finished. Good. Meghna? Okay, so let's do from here. Question number 30. What's the answer? Dash is the science of food, nutrients, and other substances, as well as their digestion, absorption, and utilization by the body. Reina? Now it's easy because we only discussed chapter 2. Reena, what's the answer?
Nutrition.
Nutrition. Very good. Question number 29. Which of the following is not a career option after clinical nutrition and dietetics? Sana?
Fabric industry.
Fabric industry. Then what is the full form of UGC? Meghna.
University Grants Commission.
Okay, Reena?
Option C.
Option C. Fast answer, Sana?
University.
University. Okay, it's not universal, university. All the colleges that comes under this university, right? MG University, Calicut University, Kannur University, that's it. UGC, University Grants Commission. Then SAGO key is an example of, Reena?
Mechanical soft.
Mechanical soft, right? Okay, Meghna?
Soft type.
Sana?
Soft diet.
It's soft diet, Reena, please note. It's soft diet. Mechanical soft diets are the mashed ones. Okay, mashed foods are the mechanical soft diet. Then 26, the patient is nourished with special solutions or drip in a vein. That is anyone?
Intravenous.
Very good. Intravenous feeding because it's through vein, right? Good. Then buttermilk is an example of what is buttermilk?
Model.
Yes, correct. Yeah. What's the example? Buttermilk is an example of, Reena?
Liquid diet.
Right, very good. Then is the statement true or false? Nutritional status and support prior to and after illness play an important role in prognosis, recovery, and even duration of hospitalization. Is it true or false, Reena? It's true. Very good. Then 23. Meghna, which of the following is not a non-communicable disease? Not.
HIV.
HIV. Sana?
HIV.
It's a communicable disease, right? Very good. Yeah. Meghna, right. Then 22. Dash are those products that are specially manufactured for persons with specific needs. Reena? 22. For options, nutraceutical, medical foods, antioxidants. Just read your option. B, medical foods, right? Very good. The last question for Meghna. The specialized area of nutrition which deals with the nutrition during illness. The specialized areas there. Okay.
Clinical nutrition.
Clinical nutrition. Reena? Don't confuse with dietitian. Okay. That's the person. Clinical nutrition, that is the area. Okay. Okay. Reena? Right. Okay. So that's all about today. If you have any doubt from this chapter 2, please ask me. Okay. And next week, try to learn chapter 3. I hope you are learning with me. Yes or no? I'll send the answers of these questions. Okay. You can take the printout and keep it with you. Okay. So take care. Bye-bye. Please send this OMR sheet. Okay. Need to check. I already marked, but for reference, I need that. So take care. Bye-bye. See you in the next class.